It's that time of year again, April the 1st, so I'm going to show you some really special life hacks, just for today. If you like a nice hot coffee in the morning for breakfast, together with an orange juice, it can take a long time to drink, especially if you're in a rush. So instead, you can pour yourself half a cup of coffee and top it up with the OJ. This'll stop you needing to go for a pee so often, and it also saves on the washing up. You can save even more time in the morning by combining eating your breakfast with brushing your teeth. Just take your toothpaste and put a generous topping over your food. Now every spoonful of your cereal will also give you minty fresh breath. Oh, this is so nice. Oh yeah, that's really good. If you haven't got enough room to store all your tennis balls in one tube, you can literally cut down on space with this really simple life hack. By slicing a tennis ball in two, you can stack one half inside the other like this to save some space. Now, instead of only fitting 3 balls in this tube, it can now hold 6. Pretty clever, huh? These old headphones don't actually work anymore, there's a break in the cable. But I'm going to give them a new lease of life by converting them into the new wireless headphones instead. Yeah man, now I'm going to look really cool. If you've got some dirty old trainers like these that are pretty shoddy and tired, these have got a huge hole and the soles are coming off too. But you can clean them right up with tomato ketchup. I squirted some up the front of the trainer, and inside too. Then used a scrubbing brush like this to work in the sauce and give it a really deep clean. After a few minutes of elbow grease, you can see what an unbelievable transformation it has made. It's now sparkly clean again, and it's even fixed the hole in the side too. If you've run out of toilet paper, why not become more environmentally friendly and use the futuristic 3 seashells approach instead? If you've been looking forward to a glass of wine all day, only to find you've run out, don't worry. Just fill your glass up with water and add some food colouring. Perfect. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more fun tricks, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and happy April Fools, everyone!